Welcome to learning about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Nouns are people, places, or things. Adjectives tell us more about these nouns by describing their qualities, size, color, or how many there are. For example, in the phrase, a beautiful garden, the word beautiful is an adjective that describes the garden. Let's look at some real examples of adjectives in sentences. Beautiful describes the garden. Hot describes the coffee, and intelligent describes the student. In each case, the adjective comes before the noun and tells us something special about it. These adjectives help us understand more clearly what kind of garden, coffee, or student we are talking about. There are different types of adjectives. Descriptive adjectives describe qualities like big, beautiful, or cold. Quantitative adjectives show amount or number, like 5, many, or few. Demonstrative adjectives point out specific things like this, that, these, or those. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions like which or what. Understanding these types helps you use adjectives correctly in different situations. Adjectives usually come before the noun they describe. For example, we say the beautiful garden, not the garden beautiful. However, adjectives can also come after certain verbs like is, are, was, or were. These are called linking verbs. For example, we can say the garden is beautiful. Both positions are correct, but they are used in different ways. When you use more than one adjective before a noun, there is a specific order to follow. First, put the adjective that shows opinion, like beautiful or ugly. Second, put size adjectives, like big or small. Third, put color adjectives, like red or blue. Fourth, put nouns used as adjectives, like wooden or silk. Following this order makes sentences sound natural and correct. Here are 2 common mistakes to avoid. First, do not repeat the same adjective many times. Instead of saying very, very beautiful house, just say very beautiful house. Second, remember that adjectives must come after linking verbs, not before the noun in that position. So we say the house is beautiful, not the house beautiful is. Learning these rules helps you write and speak English correctly. Now it is time to practice. First, try to identify the adjective in the phrase, the quick brown fox. Second, find the adjective in I have 5 books. Third, choose the correct word order between beautiful very flower and very beautiful flower. Fourth, try to make your own sentence using an adjective and a noun. These activities will help you understand adjectives better. Let's review what we learned. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They usually come before the noun, but they can come after linking verbs like is, are, was, or were. When you use multiple adjectives, follow the correct order: opinion, size, color, then the noun. Remember these rules and practice using adjectives in your sentences. Understanding adjectives will make your English stronger and more expressive.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.